What's up, everyone? Trent here. We've got our 632 El Camino on the road. Got our customer very happy. He's ready to get it back, make some adjustments, and get back on the road, ready for the next race. When's the next race?
It's going to be Rocky Mountain Race Week.
Rocky Mountain Race Week.
Rocky Mountain Race Week. That's where we're headed.
This thing is working flawless. I mean, this thing couldn't work any better. Like I said, we've got a street 632 making about 800 horsepower. Sprays it a little bit. Full interior. Got the baby bottle back there.
Baby bottle.
How long have you had this car?
I've had this thing for a little over 2 years now. Before that, it was a nasty green color full of all kind of rust, and it's been disassembled for the last 13 years. And I got together a couple years ago and said, you know, it's now or never.
Right.
And so I took the time and energy and even made a few of my own videos, and it's a dream come true.
Good, good.
You know, here, these guys here at Precision have made it even better too, because this transmission is nice.
Thank you very much.
Better than the last one I had, man.
I think he's
So
got,
much better.
how many you have on the fender over there? 5?
Well, I need to stick another sticker on there, but yeah, we're looking at number 5.
Number 5, and I think that's going to be the last one.
I think so.
I think so. So,
This transmission theoretically should be able to handle anything this motor can handle.
yes, sir. I mean, he drives this thing everywhere. He drove it to us from Oklahoma City.
It's got 17,000 miles on it just in a couple of years.
Oh, there you go, see? Drives it everywhere, puts the slicks on, races it, takes the slicks off, drives it home.
Yeah.
What's better?
Life doesn't get any better than that.
That's a true street car.
That's a CompuShift 2.
CompuShift 2.
They have a better one out now.
A little bit newer, I'm guessing.
It's a little bit newer, and it's also got a data logger on it, which makes it really primo.
Cool, cool, cool.
I run a MSD box, which is fully programmable.
Very nice, very nice.
That was probably one of the better upgrades I did.
Have all the fuel in the world, but you gotta have that spark to burn it.
Yeah, it's got to be a good spark too.
Yes, sir.
Last test is going to be the trans brake.
Let's see what we got.
Got a 3,000 RPM two-step. See if it works. Yep,
Nice.
primo.
Nice. Sounds really good.
Can't ask for anything better than that.
That's what we
That
like
is
to hear.
dream.
Awesome. Hey, I've got this wrote down in my bucket list once I get older.
That's great.
Nothing but big block horsepower.
This one or the next one?
It's the next one, I think. Yeah, got a little dip there.
Built-in speed bumps.
We're testing suspension. Yeah, you can turn right here, and then we're just the next left.
We're done.
We're done. Well, guys, we appreciate y'all for watching. We have a happy customer here. He's gonna get this thing back on the road. Y'all guys go check his channel out. I will put it in the link, and y'all have a great day. Thanks again.